Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. So today I want us to talk about the Senzo case, particularly Nesi and how he exposed Gininda while he was busy doing a runaround. Before we get into that, guys, please make sure you do not forget that engagement is key in the social media space and we need to engage as much as we can. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. That helps a lot with growing the channel, and it also helps the channel a lot with financial gain. And also, please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you will be supporting this channel financially and in numbers too. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys doing that. Now, let's talk about Ubra Nick, Nicholas Gininda, no advocate Nisi. Loved what Nisi did there today because the first thing that he went to was about it was about the interview that Gininda said that he did with OIQ's number one. Did he not go around the globe trying to run away from the word interview? It was, and he went to Mount Everest in the Sekaya. It was hard to go up and down. And at some point, he had to agree with Umniso Gupti, yes, there was an interview. So what he did, Umnisi started by saying, yesterday, blah, 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 you said that you had an interview. I was like, no, that's not. This is one of the things that irritates the hell out of me about Upragatia Gininda, is him every time you say what he said, he will come and say, no, that's not what I said. Excuse me, sir, we were here. You said this. I don't think he even cares, Uguti, Ungatwa, even if Ungatwa, let's play the records. I don't think he cares about that. The way he lies with a straight face, he can't even help himself right now because he is always busy trying to preempt what Mnisi is going to say. So what he did, it was about the word interview. They went back and forth, and then Ujadrata even asked, so is it a matter of wedding? You don't want to use the word interview. And then he was like, I'm shying away from it. I was like, I go. He was like, I'm shy. That is why I get so mad with Judge Rata when he's being rude to other people, but not Gininda and Baloi. I get so mad. He was like, I'm shying away from it. But nonetheless, Geumnisi was like, I'm not going to do this with you. Just go to, there's a diary that was handed over here, and the please go to, when Nisi said go, he remembered Ugininda. He was like, no, what is written there? And the time Nisi was like, just open the diary. I don't care about the time and whatnot. Just open the diary. Then I will tell you what is going to happen. Yeah, it was up and down, up and down. And at some point, we had Ubalo starting the jumping up and down that Ramsipile accused him about. He was like, objection, Your Honor. Explaining the entire situation that is so weird. And I'm like, didn't they say he's the black excellence, this Baloy? What black excellence is this, Nabetnana? Why would he? Betuna, Betuna. I can't with a court Judge. I promise you I can't. But that's what he did. And I like how Umnisi was like, I'm not gonna give up with these people. I'm not gonna, they can do whatever they want. Umnisi was like, I don't care whether it's 1700 hours, whether it's million, 200 hours. All I'm saying, just open the diary and then listen to me what I'm going to ask you to do. I just like, I'm not doing this with you, Shem. Never, 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 never. Like, listen, I love how cool, calm, and collected he is about the entire situation, and he's taking his time. And then he was like, you're gonna go up from the dead, you are going to come back, and we are going to deal with this as how it needs to be dealt with, not the way you want it to be dealt with. And he was trying to deny his own handwriting, which he did at some point, guys. This is embarrassing to the core, guys. But you know what? With Umnisi, who knows what he's doing, who is prepared for this man, who has studied Gininda, because Gininda needs to be studied, guys. He did. He started Gininda from 2023 up until now. Umnisi made it his point to make sure that he understands the character of Gininda. He deals with him. He puts him into order. He puts him in his place and he deals with him. He doesn't care. He doesn't care. And Omnisi knew what he saw in that diary and he was like, I'm not about to be misled here. We are going to deal with that the way I understand it, and we are going to agree on it. And finally, Omnisi got to get Ugininda to read the same word that he was running. He was shying away from interview. He is running away from the word interview because what will follow is where is something that says you guys did an interview and they don't have it. He wrote in his diary 1,300 hours interview with a suspect or accused, I'm not sure. But now he did not want to own that one up. He really did not. And the Omnise was like, read what is inside there. And then finally, interview with the suspect. Haibo Ugininda. And you would swear the way Ubaloy would get up and start doing and throwing toys around, you would swear that he forgets that Umnisi was once him, a prosecutor. You would swear the way he continues and do the things. You would swear Ubaloy just wants to stand up for the sake of saying objection, Your Honor. He's always objecting. If on what, sometimes you will look for it and never find it, Mdagabawo. And then Omunye Abe busy telling us about his 55 years. Today, it was no longer 50, it was 55 in the profession. Yet, he accepts Amogininda to say, I'm shying away from that word. What do you mean, sir? But it's written in your diary. Like today, the word of the day was, I'm running away, I'm shying away from that word interview. Interview was the word that Ugininda did not want to accept, but Umnisi got him to forcefully accept. He flogged and flogged that force until it was alive again. He flogged it. Hi, Shem. Hi, ay, 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 ay. Ah, no, I can't, guys. No, I can't with Brigadier Gininda. I can't with Ubaloyi. I can't with Judge Rata. They must just do what needs to be done with the case, whatever the mandate is, it needs to be passed, and then we move on and see what happens next. That's it. I can't. What are your thoughts when it comes to this? Because wow. Wow, guys. Wow, about too much, once and for all. Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.